Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Rust. And today, oh my gosh, we've done a lot of work. We've done a lot of work. So, today I'm gonna discuss what happened this wipe. I know it's not been an upload every day or something. I don't really do that. I think I'll just do a little bit of uploads when I can. So, this is basically my base. So I'm gonna show you what I got this wipe. So, this wipe has been crazy. We had almost 350 statues rated, a lot of bases. Of course, I didn't record that. Dumb, dumb. What happens? Oh, I'll try to record a lot of these ratings and stuff. So, what happened this wipe is we got a base 3x3 high Q metal, which is high quality, and we got raided somehow by some players. So, we decided to build a base in this desert bit of the map, and we got this huge, massive, whatever you want to say, base. Of course, I only bought this in 2 days after they raiding the bases. So what we got is almost 50 stacks of high quality metal and a lot of other loot. We also got one. So we lost our recycler, which I bought on the uh store. I think, yeah, store. Go to English bat. You go to the others, and you go $1.50. So yeah, that was a waste. But then suddenly after 2 days, we go back to our recycler. So what we got here is a recycler, um, and some chests. We of course didn't loot everything. We just looted the most important things. And back in I think X 1500 and Z 560, I think there's a base that we legit have. We have a lot of other items like the useless ones, but these are the most important ones. So we're gonna go through the base, and I'll show you guys a trick. I think if I have some stuff, I probably should have something. Let me see. If not, I'll need to visit one of the bases. Why am I using this? This is trash. Okay, so this is one of the things we got. There's some more stuff. Now we go to the big boys. This is oh wait, where are the components? I think the components are in there. Okay, we got some AKs. We got a lot of high qual. As you can see, the base is all high qual. There's some stuff here. I think we got like 10 sets of the best sets. We got like 5 AKs. We got a lot of high Q here. We had like 50 stacks, but we just like used it. So we raided it 2 days ago, which was like Wednesday, I think. And then we got a lot of loot, and that gave us some stuff to raid other bases, but we didn't raid a lot. I think we raided like another one that gave us the recycler and some other stuff. So that was quite good. I mean, I like raiding people. I bet people like to raid me as well. So I'm gonna hope to the next base, but this giant one is something we built in like 2 hours after raiding the base. Or I built because the other guys were offline that time. So you can see then there's only 10 people on the server. It's almost midnight, and yeah, the wipe is about to happen in about 14 hours or so. So yeah, this is our second base we had for like 3 days just to collect sulfur, and this is one of the bases that tried to raid us, but hey, no happening, guys. We have a lot of stuff, and you are not gonna raid us, guys. Okay, when there's nothing much here. I think there's chests here. What I'm saying is mostly yeah, I think we got like 70 or so, 70 odd hazmat suits. So yeah, got a lot of MPs. We got a lot of Thompsons. We got a lot of M2 M92s. We got a lot of pickaxes and stuff. We got about 50 blue cards, but we didn't pick them because they were useless. A lot of components. Another 24 hazmats. I have no idea where all this stuff is. There we go. Explosive ammo. Another AK. There's trash. I don't know. I think the guys were using it because they were like, "Oh, let's just gunfight everything now." Oh, there's another wall they just destroyed. Okay, they destroyed doors that they shouldn't even destroy because they were nothing. Dang it. Just to get through that part, I need to get a hammer. I think there was a hammer. No. Oh, there we go. What did I make two? Okay. I'm gonna take this AK and this explosive ammo and try to raid them and see what they had in there. But before we do that, let's just try to quickly go in here and upgrade this to stone. There we go. Okay, so as I was going through, just got interrupted, but it's nothing. I don't think there's a lot of stuff. I think we mostly use a lot of the stuff and raided some new bases and stuff, so wouldn't have a lot. We got another workbench 3. Got some more components. Components are all over the place now. Got another AK right here. A lot of AKs now. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing that special. There's a C4. See another card. What the hell? A lot of stuff. So yeah, what I was gonna do is gonna destroy these people and go show you guys a trick of how to get a furnace inside the base. It's gonna be really helpful for some people, not for a lot, but for some of them. And let me just get some wood. There we go. So the way you do this, you need flint. Where's all my stuff? Technically, I would need stone for this as well. Maybe it depends what you need to what you want to upgrade this on. So quickly gonna grab some cloth, make some stuff, and I'll see you guys. Wait, because we can easily go and grab this space next to us. So just quickly gonna do that. Let's go for it. 50. Yeah. So let's speed this up. Nah, nothing special. There wasn't even a TC in here. It was right there. But they can't put that here because of my base. That's true. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute when I get all the resources and I'll get ready to build this and show you. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay. Let's build a 3x3 base. It has to be 3 or 3 by the way, so make sure to remember this correctly. It has to be 3. Oh, right. Almost decked it right there, boys. It needs to be a flat surface for the middle bit. So if we do this right here, we have enough for the middle. For the sides, no. It's just the middle that has to be perfect. The other ones can be wherever. Whenever you want to have this base, or this furnace, sorry, you have to have a perfect surface. I'll show you how big of the surface it has to be. I think it is like 5x5. It has to be perfect. So it cannot be any like these holes. So what you do is 3 by 3. You destroy this middle part, then you go into a corner, which is probably this one for the server. You build it, and then what you do is you upgrade it on stone so no one can get under the base. That would be, and you can see these, by the way, being like super trash. Okay, so then you cover it up with the wall. So I'm gonna skip this part, by the way, because I don't really want you to get bored with this. Or well, it's not gonna be boring because it's gonna be like 2 seconds. So we're quickly gonna do this. As you can see, I tried it there and I flipped it up because it was too close to the stone, this big stone, and also it was what did I say? It's like it was too many holes there, so it would basically no work for me. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's probably gonna be boring as flip, but believe me, it was actually terrific to get that base in there. So this is perfect, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna get a door, which is this, and the lock. There we go. There we go. There we go. And we just need to put our TC in, and that's us. So what we will do is we'll go like this. And I was trying to get something out of this. So I'm trying to put like it would work here, right? Yeah, it would work here, but it doesn't work here. Yeah, because if I was, but obviously you don't need it because you got this top bit covered, and this is how you make a super quick base, and you can use the furnace, sorry, by doing legit nothing. Just a little bit of stuff like collecting. But yeah, that should do you for quite a while, by the way. And if you want to be smart enough and you want to do stuff, you could do maybe something like this. So you probably would need to do it over here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. I think this is enough. There we go. And you could potentially just cover this up so no one sees that you have a secret thing in your base. But yeah, that's about it for that, and you can basically do this without anything here. So yeah, that's a really quick base, and you get a lot of stuff from this. It's an advantage on the server, by the way. And if you want to get some of these stuff, make sure to comment down below. And maybe, but just maybe, because I'm going to buy a recycler and a workbench 3. And if you guys want to get yourself a furnace level 2, wait, I'm saying it wrong. A furnace from the level 2 workbench, make sure to hit me up on the server. Official Mr. Lucky. Just message me instead of typing in a chat because it will take a while. I don't really read my chat unless it's private message, because just ignore it at the start of the wipe. But so the wipe is at 13 quarter past 1 p.m. for me, and quarter past 2 p.m. for, I think it's the EU thing, I'm not sure, but that doesn't change anything because I'm going to be here at the wipe. Okay, so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this episode and you want to see more of Rust, make sure to hit me up and tell me what you want to see in the comment section, or also you can message me on the server. So I'm going to be here from the start of the wipe, and then I'll be playing until the late hours. So I will probably play since 1:15 till like maybe 3 a.m. So that's, what is that? Is that like 7, 11, 14 hours straight? If you want to hit me up, you want to get some stuff from me, all you have to do is give me the resources for that. You have to also give me some kind of like reward for that, and yeah, you'll get it done. Anything crafted in a game can be crafted from me, and if I need to do anything else, like such as buying a workbench 3 again, I'll do that, of course, no joke. But yeah, it's been a long episode. If you guys enjoy this, make sure to hit me up and also comment down below what you enjoyed and if I helped you with the furnace, because the furnace is one of the important things in this game. Like without the furnace, you're you're gutted for good. Like legit, the furnace, you need it. You need the furnace. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to do all these things, and I will keep up the stuff and make the videos. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah.